قدم دي محمد نتاي جو के बाद से
Online Manipur YouTube channel swing birba mayam pumnong pu amukhan na taram uksari. I'm devastated and I'm shedding tears right now seeing this little boy munching his food scrumptiously like a beggar who found a food to eat after exploring the entire day. This pains my heart. Do these kids really deserve this? We must help as many as hungry and needful people, whether it's Kuki or Maitai. At least please don't restrict anyone in humanitarian aid. Let the Maitai also help Kuki. Let the Kuki also come and help the Maitais. Mateng pang balak padadi Mitai oirasu Kuki oirasu adum welcome to you. No restrictions. Ramdam asi santi puraklasi mayampum namak. Duga matang update asidi Arambai tengol degini ing tappa purakna balengak pai khatliba khongtang asida aikoi punna sagot minasi handa kanghaudana thorakba kangluk masen gi ungkhatna ba thodokna maram oiraga lamdam asida tangdu leita da phibam ama ohelagliba asi mahusa gi phibam da hanjilakna ba manipuri lengak na pai khalagliba khongtang sing asida aikoi punna sagot minaduna hana gumnung si chanana laiminna ba iramdam manipur ama oina ba hotnasi ngarang manipur gi chief minister amadi cabinet minister singkaloina na union home minister ga unaruba gi paudam ama chief minister and birena manipur gi miam da paudam lamkhibagi matung inna state asida thoklibe irang asi athuba matamda loisinna ba center amadi state laingak na kanba mongdo hotnari haibo wafam Arambai tengkon na thagatli loinana union home minister suda laiba militant singbu akanba kanglon amagi makhada thamna bu wafam thamlakhibasu taramna ui thoklibe irang asi loisinna ba center amadi state laingak na paikhat pa khongthang kudamakta Arambai na mapung phana saugat kani loinana laingak khongthang sing asida miyam na sumapung phana saugat piu haina appeal tawjari athuba da mahausa gum aikoi ponna nungsi chanana laiminna ba hotna bada Arambai na thaudang yajabaga loinana apun bagi saktam sagat pada aikoi punna thaudang yaminna si haijari set Arambai tengon thangi update asidi RK somendro kaiku dagi laukachege. Let's make a better place for our children. Let's bring peace and love in our state, Manipur, said RK somendro kaiku. Aduga matangi update asina ningthaujam popilal dagi update amkakang laukachege suda laiba lan holup singna police commando da fawbu khut thaduna asi ana thokan bahai base laibak thibani masi government na tuminna laifam thokte athuba da santi purakna ba hotna biu hotna minasi haina ningthaujam popilal na appeal tawri. Aduga matang update asina Licipriya kang ujam dagini I will definitely highlight what really happened in Manipur at the upcoming UN General Assembly to be held in New York, USA in September and also in every international events I'm invited to speak in various countries. Fighting disinformation is not propaganda or favoring a community. Your disinformation campaign rape threats to innocent children and young women, killing innocent babies and people of community, burning our homes, massive deforestations, launching modern opium war to Manipuri and Indian youths by massive drug plantations, supporting terrorist organizations and using guns will not work for long. But you attempt to portray me and Maitai with false propagandas to medias. This will not help you guys, and the guns can't silence my voice. And also more, you guys attack me, I will more speaking out. Stay tuned to watch my next episode to the world leaders at Rome, Italy on June 5. Keep watching. Haina Licipriya kang muzam ki update ni. Aduga matangi update asina hanagi ex-CM o.ibobi dagini people who want to leave the state are free to do so, but none can take the land along with them. I don't understand if security advisor is running the state, where's the spokesperson of the government. Haina hanagi ex-chief ministers okram ibobina asumna thamkre. Aduga matangi update asisu popilal ningthaujam dagini Manipur gi apun bagi saktam kahin gumsi kanglup khuding na santi gi wari sanaba sumi pukilan horobada lairaba singkham thengna wanare. Aduga matangi update asina spare corps Indian army dagini civil society organizations and the influencers are being engaged to help maintain peace and promote harmony. Indian army also requests all communities to quell misinformation aimed at spreading hate in Manipur. Aduga to update sisu spare corps Indian army degini 128 columns are undertaking area domination day and night along Indo-Myanmar border and freeing vulnerable areas in Hinterland is also assuring locals of all communities of their safety. Robust multi-agency in grid in place for surveillance in coordination with state government. Thank you so much for watching my video. Anouba update kita magtunong si video na channel na subscribe to biramu. Thank you so much.